So I really like the flexibility of the dual fuel generators, being able to use different types of fuel, propane or gas, as whichever one is cheaper or more available at the time that I need to run the generators. And I really like having the linked generators. I've got two 2,000 watt generators here linked with a parallel kit that can run my 30 amp RV. And now today I got to do some painting and some renovating inside the RV. It's going to be about 100 degrees out, and I thought it'd be a really good day to figure out how long both these generators can run the air conditioner in the unit on one tank of propane. So I've got a freshly exchanged unit here. I know that if I were to refill this, there would probably be a little bit more propane in than when you exchange it, but I wanted to go off of the base. Like if I was at a campsite and I need to go get some propane real quick, just went to the big box store and exchanged the tank for one, how long I could expect to run these units and power my air conditioner on one tank of propane. So I've just got a plain propane splitter here that then goes into each unit's regulator and hose. I'm going to turn this on, check for leaks, and get everything running. Well, we ran out of propane. Just over 6 hours and 40 minutes of runtime powering the 15,000 BTU air conditioner on top of our RV on one 20-pound tank. So obviously it's more convenient to just use one tank with a splitter to run these. But that also gives me a good indication that if I need to run the generators overnight or for the entire day, if I just hook each generator up to its own propane tank, I should get almost 13 hours of runtime with the air conditioner going. Again, I really like the dual fuel generators because it gives me options. We always have propane on the rig, but we also have a gas tow vehicle. So worst comes to worst, we've got a jerry can in the back of the truck we can fill up to fill these guys up. Now some are going to say, well, why don't you just get one big generator? And you definitely can. The reason that I like to get two smaller 2,000 watts with the parallel kit is that it gives me options. You know, sometimes we're not going to need to run the air conditioner, but we are going to be boondocking when you need some power. Well, then I only need to pull out one generator. And at under 50 pounds, these are much easier to move around than a 3,500 watt generator, which is going to take two people to lift in and out of the back of my truck. So if you were curious to know how long you could run an air conditioner on a single tank of propane, now you've got a better idea. Obviously, your mileage is going to vary based on the altitude, based on the temperature of the day, what size air conditioner you have, what else you're running at the same time as the air conditioner. But hopefully this gives you a little better idea of what you can expect to be powering dual fuel generators on propane and how long of a runtime you'll get. If you found some value in this video, show me some appreciation down below. Consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, I'm Joshua. You take care and happy trails.